Today we will see HCF basics. Let us see what is a factor. A factor of a number is any non-zero integer that divides the given number exactly, leaving no remainder. Got it? Example 1. Is 2 a factor of 8? Yes, because 2 is a non-zero integer and it divides 8 exactly, leaving no remainder. Got it? Example 2. Is 3 a factor of 14? No, because although 3 is a non-zero integer, it does not divide 14 exactly. It leaves 2 as the remainder. Got it? Next, let us move on to how to find all factors of a given number. Example, how to find all factors of 8. Before solving the problem, please go through the rules. Treat the given number as the dividend and start dividing it by the natural numbers beginning from 1. When we divide 8 by 1, we get 8 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, the division is exact. In this case, the divisor 1 is not greater than the quotient 8. So, move to the next step. When we divide 8 by 2, we get 4 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. So, the division is exact. In this case, the divisor 2 is not greater than the quotient 4. So, move to the next step. When we divide 8 by 3, we get 2 as the quotient and 2 as the remainder. So, division is not exact. In this case, the divisor 3 is greater than the quotient 2. So, stop here and do not consider this step. Got it? Now, collect all the unique divisors and quotients where the division is exact. In this case, they are 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the factors of 8. Got it? For more details on factors, please subscribe and watch the below playlist. Thank you.